again, and today we got another video with the FD, and we're gonna be doing the oil change. We're gonna be installing a POWER FC ECU, and then we'll go from there. I got like the fuel filter and a few other things, but I don't know what we're all gonna get done today. But for sure, the POWER FC and the oil change definitely needs to get done. So stay tuned. Back at Russell's house, helping me out with the work, and then we got some fucking goons over here. Fucking helping out today.
I'm just watching. Just watching.
You don't want to get dirty.
No, I got my new touch.
Oh shit. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. We got all the parts back here. Fun day of some preventative maintenance on this thing. First thing we're gonna do is this fuel filter. Russell recommends changing it out just because it's been so 77,000 miles, probably never been changed. It doesn't look like it. But I'm about to show you the stupid location where it's located at. Let's go. The diff, and it is right above the diff. You can't really see it in there, but it's right up there. It's not really much I can show you. I can try to show you. I'm gonna go position myself in a better spot. Right here. I think there's a line there, and then if you look right here, there's two 10 mils right up there that you have to take off, but it's a pain in the ass, so I probably won't show the process, but I'll explain it better once I get it out. Tap out because you give up, and then you get switched to babysitting duties, because daddy, as he likes to be referred to once you give up, is doing all the work now, because that fuel filter is no fun. And I will definitely have him explain what he did to get it out. I am definitely soaked in fuel. Hello. Hi. He's trying to win that that car on 8080 with this little onesie. So I'm gonna have Russell right here explain it right quick.
So the hardest part about the fuel filter is that it's up above the differential. And so it's a very limited space. You have to kind of reach over the axle and then over the diff. So there is a pan on the driver's side.
This little tray right here.
And passenger side for the left-hand drive.
This tray right there. It's right behind the exhaust.
So take that off and it frees up some room to reach your arm up there. You got the fuel filter out. There are two 10mm bolts you can get from rear of the diff. You pull those out, it allows you to now rotate that fuel filter. When you rotate that fuel filter, you'll be able to get a better grip with your pliers to pull off those stupid little clamps. It's those two-prong, like the three-prong you gotta squeeze apart. The ones the devil made. So those ones are awful. Some guys replace them with like the worm gear ones. It really depends on your personal preference. But JP3 Motorsports has a kit, which I recommend for most people, is they can get that and relocate that fuel filter to a better location. Because say Josh wants to go into a single turbo application in the future, a more free-flowing fuel filter, or change it before your tune, it just makes it a lot easier because you have access to it. And if you start running E85, whatever it may be, bigger pump, bigger injectors, you're gonna need more free-flowing fuel pump, or fuel filter. But all in all, depends on your technical skills. Most guys take 2 to 3 hours to do it. Once you get it down, you can do it in about 30 minutes to an hour.
He did it in like 10 minutes. But since I was on babysitting duties, I have to say thank you, Daddy, for helping out.
You're welcome.
Because I gave up real quick. And now we're just gonna go into the easy stuff, oil change and
check the ECU.
Yeah, checking the ECU. So let's get right to that right now. But while that drains, I mean, you guys already seen how to do an oil change. It uses a 19mm at the bottom. But what I'm gonna run is this Idemitsu Racing Rotary Engine Oil 20W50. I got this kit off rotarybums.com. Comes with the OEM filter and 6 quarts of this oil. So, yep. Idemitsu is known for their premix as well, which I also bought some. So just to have in the car. But yeah, oil's good. Fuel filter is good, thanks to Russell. Just changed the oil, like I said. Everything's looking good so far. Put 4 quarts in there. Just like I said, the Idemitsu. I'll show you exactly which one. But I think it's 20W50 Idemitsu rotary engine oil, and yeah, everything's going good. Next up, Russell's actually helping me with the wing. He's tapping it out to an M8 or M7 by 1. So hopefully
just cleaning the threads out because
yeah, it's really old. So hopefully it works. I really just want to see what it looks like before I take the car to paint to see if I'm going to go wingless or not. So I want to see what it looks like with that wing on there at least now, and then we'll see if we end up choosing that or not. And then after that, we'll go into the easiest / funnest thing, I think. Gonna be that the ECU, so I can't wait for that. But Hiroshi not doing shit. Look at this bum, not doing shit either. So the wing is on. It actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Next, I might try to get the side skirts on at home. But right now, what we're gonna jump into is just installing that FC Commander and go from there. ECU?
Yep.
It's not even bolted in.
Nope, so there's 2 plugs and it should just sit right in there. I'll grab a light real quick.
There's the old ECU, new ECU's right here. So, I'm gonna switch them up. So, got the old ECU out, Power FC in. Just messing with the Power FC Commander. The screen was really dim, so he changed up the settings so at least it's visible now. So he's gonna go through. You're just checking what, like, to see if there's any previous tunes on there. Or,
yeah.
So, the master's doing his work. There's a fucking dirty sock in here. Didn't come with the car. That's mine. But yeah.
We'll make it like
no, I got it. I got it right here. So we took it out for a drive with the FC Commander, and we read 2 pounds of boost.
Yeah, about 2 psi.
2 psi, and we come here. Fucking Groshi says your car's on fire,
it's
smoking, and there was oil leaking here. And we look inside, and this friggin' coupler snapped in half, not even put on there right. So hopefully this fixes it. But
if this was your boost leak, and you go out and drive this again, you will be shocked at the power.
At how fast it is. And I was impressed already for it being 30 years old.
About 8 more pounds of boost to get out of this.
But he's got extra couplers here, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on.
Take
it for another spin. And see where it's at. What happened?
Show them the wing.
Oh yeah. Fucking rice rocket over here.
Didn't fall off, so that's
Double-decker wing still on here. My favorite part about this is that you can have your entrees right here, and you can put your drinks on the top and dipping sauces. And that's a real table. Dining room table. Perfect for eating on the go. Holy shit, guys. So that little freaking coupler was causing me all that no boost. And I thought this car was quick before, but just did a pull in it, and oh my god, it's way faster than it was before. And it's actually at 10 pounds now, is what the FC Commander is saying. Before it was only at 2 pounds. So, quick, easy fix. And she's got the beans now. She's running. Quick thank you again to Russell. Appreciate it again, the FD Master.
I wouldn't say master.
He is the master in my books because I'm the novice. So definitely thanks to him, was able to diagnose this real quickly and fix it.
I'm fucking stoked that it's pulling like it is.
Yeah.
Now you're not gonna want that. Like you're gonna want to drive it every single day.
Oh, I already do. Even with the 2 pounds of boost, I wanted to drive it every day.
Now you'll be fucking.
So now we're actually gonna take it to the grocery store because it's a grocery getter. And even if it's not, it's the weekend, and that's what this car's for. So that's what we're gonna go do. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We got plenty more to come. Say bye, Groshi.
Subscribe and like.
Hell yeah. Alright, always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.